This is what a true artist
Yo,
looks
Mrs.
like.
Guy.
XXXTentacion's story is truly heartbreaking. Imagine growing up without a stable family. He lived through that reality. His father abandoned him when he was just a kid, forcing him to bounce between different homes, struggling to find stability. He dealt with pain, loss, and hardship from an early age, facing legal troubles and personal demons. But instead of letting his struggles define him, he poured his emotions into music, becoming a voice for those battling depression, loneliness, and heartbreak. His raw lyrics and deep connection with fans made him one of the most influential artists of his generation. His music spoke to millions, offering hope to those who felt lost. But tragically, his life was cut short at just 20 years old when he was shot multiple times during a robbery. His death shook the world, but his legacy remains stronger than ever. He may be gone, but his impact will never fade. Rest in peace, X. If you believe his legacy lives on, like this video and share your thoughts.